Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing an install of the Gen 2 instrument cluster and the 10.5 inch Tesla screen on a 2017 Maserati GranCabrio MC. Just a beautiful car with the red interior, so we're going to be doing the 10.5 inch screen, so you get to retain that beautiful red dash. So this is going to be a little different install for the rear camera. It's supposed to be much easier on a cabriolet. This is going to be the first one that I've ever done. So I'm kind of excited to do it. But we're going to go ahead and get started here shortly. Kind of give you a before shot of what everything looks like. Beautiful red interior. Just love it. So we'll get started. All right, and we have another successful install. We got the new Gen 2 gauge cluster and the 10.5 inch Tesla style screen. Added a reverse cam, and everything went smooth. This is a 2017 Maserati MC Gran Turismo. Beautiful car. With the red interior, we went with a piano black head unit to match the piano black trim, and then the matte black cluster that matches with all the other OEM parts. It looks very factory. If you want to purchase any of this stuff, this is all on my website, www.elliottmotorsports.biz. I do installs. I am located in Nebraska, so if you would want to do that, you'd have to ship your car or drive it here. But I'd be more than happy to do an install for you. All right, thanks so much.